Hello, this is a question related to mathematics of class 12 standard. Question topic is indefinite integral. We have to evaluate the integration of sine 4x dx. Now we know that cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta, and and it is also equal to, on putting cos square theta, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So on putting the value of cos square theta here, it can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and on putting the value of sin square theta, it can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. These are the formulae that we will use in evaluating this integration. So integral of sine 4x is, it can be written as, we have to evaluate sine 4x dx. Let it can be denoted by I. So it will be equal to, sine 4x will be sine square x ka whole square dx. From sine square x will be, because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. तो sin square theta may be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 whole square dx. So this further can be written as I is equal to now we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be written as 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x divided by 4 dx. This further can be written as I is equal to 1 upon 4. Constant we can take outside. So this can be written as 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x in bracket dx. Now on putting the value of cos square 2x is equal to cos square 2x. We will use this formula here. We will use this formula here. Cos 2 theta is equal to, so cos square 2x. So this can be written as I is equal to 1 upon 4 cos square 2x. 1 plus cos square 2x we can written as cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. From here, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. To cos square theta we can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. We will use this formula. Cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. So this further can be written as I is equal to, now we can this can be written as 1 upon 4 integration 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x dx. This further can be written as I is equal to divided by 2. This further can be written as 1 upon 8 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx. This further can be written as I is equal to 1 upon 8 integration. This further can be written as 3x minus 4 cos 2x. This can be written as 4 sin 2x divided by 2 plus sine 4x divided by 4 plus constant of integration c. So answer is 1 upon 8 3x minus 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 sine 2x plus sine 4x upon 4. We have used the formula here, cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. So this further can be written as I is equal to 1 upon 8. I is equal to 1 upon 8 3x minus 2 sine 2x plus sine 4x divided by 4 plus constant of it. This is the required answer. Thank you.